A marriage website, also known as a wedding website or matrimonial website, is a digital platform designed to assist couples in planning and organizing their wedding events. These websites typically offer various features and functionalities to help couples share information about their upcoming wedding with their guests, manage RSVPs, and provide details about the venue, schedule, registry, and other important aspects of the wedding celebration. Some common features found on marriage websites may include event details, information about the date, time, and location of the wedding ceremony and reception, as well as any other related events such as rehearsal dinners or brunches. RSVP management, tools for guests to RSVP online, allowing couples to keep track of attendance numbers and meal preferences. Guest accommodations, details about recommended accommodations for out-of-town guests, including hotel options and booking information. Registry information, links to the couple's wedding registry or gift preferences, making it easy for guests to find and purchase gifts. Photo galleries, sections for sharing engagement photos, wedding party portraits, and other memorable moments leading up to the wedding. Personalized pages, individual pages about the couple, including their love story, photos, and personal anecdotes. Countdown timers, interactive countdown timers to build excitement leading up to the wedding day. Online invitations, option to send digital invitations or save-the-date cards to guests via email. Interactive maps, maps and directions to the wedding venue and other key locations for guests' convenience. Social media integration, links to the couple's social media profiles and tools for guests to share wedding updates and photos online. Marriage websites provide couples with a convenient and centralized platform to communicate important details about their wedding, streamline the RSVP process, and share their joy with friends and family in an engaging way.